Trapped within a natural landscape, a story unfolds. A story not told with words, but with form and function. Today, we embark on a journey to discover a house that embraces its environment, a symphony of architecture and nature. Our tale begins with a simple idea, a rectangular form that bends and stretches. This transformation reflects the desire to capture the essence of the south-facing patio, a haven of sunshine and tranquility. The narrative unfolds across 2 floors. Below, hidden beneath the surface, lies a practical realm. Garages and technical spaces find their place, ensuring a smooth flow within the home. Ascending, we enter the heart of the house, a space dedicated to connection and comfort. The entrance hall welcomes us, offering a glimpse into the vibrant tapestry of life within. For elegant suites, one boasting a dedicated walk-in closet, offer havens for rest and rejuvenation. The social area hums with the promise of shared experiences. A spacious living room beckons, while a well-equipped kitchen promises culinary delights. A discreet service toilet and a hidden pantry support the vibrant rhythm of life. Unveiling the entrance is an enigmatic pathway, a journey of anticipation. It winds upwards, acknowledging the natural slope and whispering tales of privacy and harmony with nature. This intriguing path guides us, like a visual funnel, towards the entrance. A sense of curiosity builds, a yearning to discover the secrets held within. Stepping inside, we are greeted by a breathtaking vista. The south-facing patio unfolds before us, a tapestry of light and greenery. Here, history meets modernity, as the house embraces the existing granary, a testament to the site's heritage. This central space serves as the heart of the home. It acts as the arrival point from the lower floor, guiding us effortlessly towards the private and social areas. The east and south wings house the bedrooms, while the southwest plays host to the vibrant heart of the house. Reflecting the rugged beauty of its surroundings, the house embodies a character of strength and resilience. Exposed concrete, crafted with traditional wooden formwork, forms the backbone of the structure. Yet, amidst this raw beauty, a touch of luxury emerges. Golden metal accents are woven into the design, adding a subtle note of opulence and refinement. This marriage of materials creates a symphony of textures and character. Preserving the natural integrity of the land was paramount. The design ensures the swimming pool becomes an extension of the built form. The first floor slab takes an elegant turn, creating a seamless connection between the living space and the pool area. The pool itself becomes a statement piece, its cantilever design creating a dynamic tension. A cascading waterfall adds an auditory element to the experience, filling the air with the soothing sound of water. This home embodies the essence of connection, a connection with nature, with family, and with oneself. The natural light that floods the Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.